Most people get this wrong. They assume all workout apps are basically the same. But the surprising truth about Caliber is that it combines AI-driven coaching with personalized plans that actually adapt to your progress. Caliber is a fitness app that focuses on strength training and functional workouts. You won't believe what happens next. It doesn't just give generic routines. Instead, it evaluates your fitness level, goals, and available equipment to craft a tailored program that evolves as you improve. Getting started is simple. You create a profile and put your fitness goals, and Caliber generates your first week of workouts. Each exercise comes with video instructions and form tips helping prevent injuries. The app also tracks your progress, adjusting intensity, sets, and reps based on your performance. One standout feature is the AI-powered adjustments. If you miss a session or struggle with certain exercises, the app modifies future workouts to keep you on track without overloading you. This makes it feel like you have a personal trainer in your pocket. However, there are some limitations. Caliber requires a subscription to access full features, and it may not be ideal for complete beginners who prefer step-by-step guidance for absolute basics. Also, it focuses mostly on strength training, so if you're looking for extensive cardio or yoga routines, you'll need another app to complement it. In conclusion, Caliber is perfect for anyone serious about building strength with structured, adaptive plans. Its AI-driven coaching and personalized adjustments set it apart from standard workout apps. Subscribe for more honest fitness app reviews and tips to help you reach your goals faster.